Thanks a lot for the invitation, Emma. Debt collection. Yeah, that sounds quite old-fashioned and quite dusty, right? And maybe some of you people might ask yourself, why is someone founding a company in a debt collection field? But I can tell you why. It's a tremendous market, and as we are in Berlin, we are just talking right now about Germany. We see about 60 billion of open claims as of today just in Germany. We are talking about 2.5 billion in revenues that the debt collection industry owns. We are talking about 20 million new debtors in Germany every year. There are 900 debt collection companies, but there is only one digital player. That's Per Finance. I'm founder of Per Finance, and we founded in 2016. We have right now a team about 55 people, and within the last 2.5 years, we had quite a tremendous growth. But I want to tell you where the idea of Per Finance is coming from. Originally, I was in the digital marketing field, in the digital advertising field, and maybe some of you guys know digital advertising. It's all about programmatic advertising, showing the right ads to the right people at the right moment in time, with the goal to sensitize a person to buy and purchase a product or a service. Highly data-driven. And I was asking myself, why do we lose all these approaches? Why are we not looking into the whole data field of a potential customer? Also on the other side of the funnel, like on the right side of the point of sale. In debt collection field, everything is very traditional, but it has somehow the same goal. It right now needs to sensitize an already customer to pay his open debt with the same logic as what the marketing uses. We built a proprietary system that is based on machine learning. We are using, for the ones that are a little bit more familiar with machine learning, it's an algorithm based on reinforcement learning. And specifically, we are using 3 main parts to get in communication and to sensitize the debtor. On the one hand side, we are using digital channels like the email, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, but also, of course, a letter, because we do not want to avoid that, and also the phone calls. Primarily digital, that's on the one hand side better to reach the debtor, you have more quick responses. But for us, it's also a gateway for data. Because what we are doing, we are collecting data through the interaction with the debtor. I can see, does he read the email? Does he read the dunning letter that I'm approaching, that I sent to him? With what device is he reading it? At what time? At what IP address? Where is he located? All these data flows in, and we are profiling a certain debtor. We are calling it typologizing. So we are building typologies, that's from the marketing part, like clusters of a certain debtor. And then we are using behavioral strategies, like specific tonalities, like specific approaches on a more reciprocal way or a more social comparison way, more cooperative way, to sensitize him that there is an open debt. And with a very easy usable approach, there's a link, he directs him to a payment page, and he has very easy settlement possibilities. What we saw in the last 2 years is quite a tremendous growth, as well as in case files, and so these are the main KPIs. You are steering on case files, you are steering on open volume that you get received, you are steering on what is the recovered volume, and of course also the revenue that you're owning with it. But not only that, we're also looking, of course, in operational KPIs. We see, and I told you about email, that we can see how our approaches reach a debtor and how he interacts with it. We can say that 85% of all contact points that we are doing through the different channels, they really reach the respective debtor. That's a huge number when you compare it to the traditional industry, where they can tell you that's about 40 to 50%. We additionally can see that when are the opening rates? So when do we know that he has really got to know that there is an open debt? And beside that, within the algorithm, we are recovering already 73% without any manual or human interaction, the open debt. And the average recovery that we see in our platform is between 60 to 80%, a little bit depending on the industries. These are market disturbing numbers, and it also is a very strong argument towards our clients. And within the last 2 years, we got a lot of big clients, and you might know many of their names. We have over 250 clients in our platform at the moment, increasing with big market players like Zalando on board, and also got awarded with several awards through the last couple of years. And I'm very happy. The 6 minutes are already over. I'm very happy to go in depth whenever there are questions. Please approach me. I'm here within the next 2 days. I'm also on the app. If you want to have a chat, I'm very happy to do so. Thanks a lot.